Welcome to another 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hi, my name is Jeremy Wagers, and I'm a Master Certified RV Technician. I'm the instructor of the Advanced Air Conditioner and Heat Pumps at the National RV Training Academy. I would want to walk you through today just some basic tips and tricks for the RV air conditioners. You might be the new, just bought your RV, or hey, you might even be the person that's been RVing for 15 to 20 years. But hopefully, I can teach you a trick or two today on how to set your thermostat to the right position. So what we got right here is we have a basic Coleman Mach thermostat. It's an analog one. As you can see, we've got your dial setting right here. We have right here where I'm pointing at, you're gonna set between, do you want just to run a fan? Do you want to make your compressor turn on to make your air conditioner blow out cold air? And then over here, you can set to see what side speeds you want. Do you want high fan? Do you want low fan? Or do you want it to run on auto? One of the biggest things that I'm going to go through, I actually had a call a couple weeks ago. Great couple, first time RVers. Hey, we've all been there before, right? I get over there, they call me and they're like, hey, I'm having trouble. My air conditioner's not blowing cold air. I hear the fan running. I just can't get any cold air to come out of my ducts. I'm like, no problem. I go over there and they're a super awesome couple. When I get there, they had a thermostat like the one I have right here in my hands. You could hear the fan was running. So that lets you know that there was a good 12 volt and a good 120 volt source, but there just wasn't blowing cold air. So I came over to their thermostat. They had one just like this right here. As you see, they actually had it in the right position, calling for cool, but one of the things that they forgot, they even had the fan speed set to high, so it had high fan going, but the compressor wasn't turning on, and they were kind of perplexed. What I did is, if you look over here at the temperature, they had it set all the way up to 90 degrees. So what that means is if it says 90 degrees, it's saying, compressor, I don't need you to turn on until you get above 90. So it was a simple thing that, hey, I know myself personally, when my wife and I first got into the RV world, I overlooked this quite a few times and I kind of felt, oh no, what did I do that for? Simple mistake. But what I did is all I had to do was teach them. Go ahead and make sure you always set the temperature on this style of thermostat. Trust me, easy mistake. I've made it plenty of times when I first started out. Now, most of you might not have this analog style thermostat. Most of you, let's go over here to this guy. This is another Coleman thermostat. It's made by a company called Air Excel, which actually owns Coleman. One of the big things is too, they might have went through and set on cool. They might have it set to the wrong temperature again, because one of these things is it's going to show you what the ambient temperature is inside your RV. Sometimes people forget, and I had this thermostat as well, you always got to make sure you use your arrows and set it down to the desired temperature for you so you're comfortable. Me, I want it to be cold. I love it to be 68 degrees. My wife, on the other hand, she's a balmy 72. Still haven't understood that, but hey, we're not perfect, right? But anyways, always when you're setting your thermostat, make sure you set it down to the desired temperature for you to keep you comfortable during these hot summer months ahead. And there's your tech tip.
All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers.
Performance and working with the best of their abilities. That one screwed up. Nope, didn't like that one. Man, I'm screwing up today.